Good morning. I am A. Vima Krishna, Assistant Professor of Mechanical Engineering at Excellence College of Technology. Today, discuss about the case study of engineering and the industrial competitive assessment of the scroll compressor. In the history of history, in 1910, William Carris invented the air conditioning to the control heat and humidity for the printing process in New York Printing Company. After designing the similar study of the series manufacturing, Carris raised the $30,000 to $6,000 from Carey Engineering Company in 1915. In 1924, Carris built up the first comfort cooling system for the H.L. Holden department store. And then 1928, the Carris developed the first residential air conditioning system, but they created the present and WW in home air conditioning holding up after about the 20 years. In 1955, Williams predicted the air conditioning should be a basic feature of the all new homes. In 1985, 90% of all new homes has had air conditioning. And then find out the vapor compression refrigeration. The major of the refrigeration and the air conditioning system is today employ the simple vapor compression refrigeration cycle. In this vapor system, including the four components: compressor, condenser, and evaporator, expansion valve, and then evaporator. So here that is the schematic diagram, and then each from first one for the warm air will be taken for the inlet to the condenser to the cold air return to the room. It is our surrounding area. This is a schematic diagram for the vapor refrigeration system. It is a compressor, condenser, and expansion valve, and then evaporator. The main uses of the evaporator is the cooling the warm air to the inside of the room. And then next for the engine of automobile, the compressor is the heart of the refrigeration system. In the most of the most complete the cost of the component and the responsibility over the 90% of the power consumption in compressor. In 1980s, the old stage of the reciprocating piston compressor is phased efficient, quiet, and reliable new compressors such as rotary scroll compressor will be implemented. So, although those new compressors were required to build up the new residential product, Carris shows how to found them and able to without ability to the manufacturing of those compressors. And then first one for the rotary compressor. Rotary compressor, it was planned for the complete success using 980 feet of the rotary compressor. The guideline small group of Carey design and develop the new rotary compressor. Carey rotary compressor was the most efficient on market. Is a schematic diagram of the rotary compressor. The stator and the rotor will be run, and then valve, and then accumulator, and the suction valve. It is a discharge tube. It's a schematic diagram of the scroll compressor. And then another updated in the 1980s, the Carris embarked the program back again there to manufacturing the own compressor. The most average sizes of the home air conditioning 50,000 to 15,000 PTUs per hour. Rotary compressor is used to detect the design and their own rotary compressor for reversible engineering. So again remodifying this compressor for the rotary compressor. It is a schematic diagram for the inlet valve and then discharge and then valve arranged for the and then compressed for the here you will using for the first initial stage, you will passing to the air and then compress high pressure and the volume will be high, and then you will passing through here into the discharge. This is a schematic diagram of the rotary compressor. Next one for the scroll compressor. In 1980s, they give the successfully rotary compressor project in Carey's engineering board on the similar project to reverse engineering for the scroll compressor. The scroll compressor quickly gained the market and type the residential central air conditioning system of applications of 25,000 to 40,000 BTUs per hour. It is a black diagram for the scroll compressor. In the first generation Carey's scroll compressor 90s, and then same approach for the using in the reversible engineering the scroll compressor. Schematic diagram for the scroll compressor. Thank you. If any doubt, please ask.